Hi guys, today I will explain how to add BEP20 to Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. Once it will be open. This one is the homepage of Trust Wallet, and if I scroll down, you will see multiple cryptos, which are added in my Trust Wallet. But in this list, you cannot find the option of BEP20 BNB Smart Chain. So how can we add it? For adding, scroll down to the last, and you can see the option of Manage Crypto. Click on it, and all the available currencies will be here. You can add these by searching them by their name. Click on the option search, and here, enter the name USDT, and here you will see multiple crypto. So be careful when adding it, because if you add a wrong one, then you will not get any tokens from that currency. Like we want to add BNB Smart Chain. So here you can see the option of USDT BNB Smart Chain. Click here and enable it. Now let's go back and let me show. Here you can see in this chain has been added. Let me click on it. And on the top, you can see the name of BEP20. You can send, receive, or swap it in Trust Wallet. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.